Do you get confused when using the simple present tense in English? You're not sure when to add that little s at the end of the verb? Don't worry, in this video, I'll teach you everything you need to know about the simple present tense in the simplest way possible. Hello everyone, welcome to my English learning channel, English Talks. If you want to learn English grammar in an easy, practical and real-life way, be sure to stick around and don't forget to hit subscribe. Okay, let's dive into the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about daily routines like I go to school every day, or general facts like water boils at 100 degrees, or habits like she drinks coffee every morning, or schedules like the train leaves at 6 p.m. Now the structure is very simple. It's subject plus base verb for I, you, we, they, and subject plus verb plus s and es for he, she, and it. For examples, I play football. He plays football. Negative and question forms. For negative sentences, it's the I, you, we, they plus don't plus base verb and he, she, it plus doesn't plus base verb. For examples, I don't like tea and she doesn't like tea. And for questions, the structure is do plus I, you, we, they plus base verb and does plus he, she, it plus base verb. For examples, do you play guitar? And does he play guitar? Third person s plus spelling rules. Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of learners, the famous s in the third person. When the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add s or es to the verb. Let me break it down for you clearly. Rule number 1, just add s for most verbs. You simply add s. For example, play, plays. He plays football. Rule number 2, add es if the verb ends in o, ch, sh, ss, x, or z. We add es instead of just s. For example, go becomes goes, she goes to school, and watch becomes watches. He watches TV. Rule number 3, change y to ies. If a verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add es. For example, study becomes studies, like she studies English every day. But if the verb ends in a vowel plus y, just add s, like play becomes plays. Now, important point, these rules only apply to he, she, and it, not to I, you, we, or they. It might sound like a lot, but don't worry. With practice, it becomes automatic. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's go over some very common mistakes English learners make when using the simple present tense and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, forgetting the s with he, she, it. For example, they once say he go to school. It's wrong. The correct one is he goes to school. Remember, he, she, and it's verb plus s and es. This is one of the most common grammar mistakes, and please don't forget the s. Mistake number 2, adding s after does in a question. Does she goes to work? It's wrong. You have to say, does she go to work? Why? Because does already carries the third person. The main verb stays in base form, just like he goes to work, and the question becomes, does he go to work? Mistake number 3, making questions without do or does. You like pizza? No, it's wrong. You have to say, do you like pizza? In English, you need a helping verb to make a proper question. For I, you, we, they, we use do, and for he, she, it, we use does. My advice, focus on the subject and the verb form. When in doubt, double check if your subject is third person or not. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, a quick practice. Try this quick quiz. Type your answers in the comments. Okay, drop your answers below and I will check them. Great job! Now you know how to use the simple present tense like a pro. You understand the difference between he played and he plays. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Until next time, keep practicing and keep growing. See you in the next video.